Hello mga kalulod niyo, isang magandang hapon. Time check, 1:35 p.m. in the afternoon. At temperature check is 3 degrees Celsius, but feels like a 7 degrees Celsius. So tayo po ngayon magpapalit ng ating baby silver ng cabin filter. So first of all, syempre tatanggalin mo yung ano. Ayan. Ito yung itsura ng cabin filter. Meron din siyang installation ano rito. 1, 2, 3. Oh. So dito sa ano madali nakalagay. Meron din French translation. Pero nakalagay doon, ano mo lang yung nakalagay dito, ipipress mo lang yung dalawang sides. Open the glove compartment, squeeze sides of glove compartment to release past stops. Figure 1. So 1. So let's say, gagano mo, so it's not the same with this manual kasi it has I have a precision screwdriver. So let's choose the flat one. Where is it? This is the flat one. I'm wearing gloves because it's really, maybe it's been a long time they never changed this one because our car is second hand. So we are expecting that dusty air filter or cabin filter. So I need a flashlight because madilim. Madulas ang black ice Ayun mo, nadudulas ako. Madulas ang black ice. At tinatawag, nadudulas ako. So bumili na rin ako sa Costco na ito para sa mga ganitong ginagawa natin. Ilaw-ilaw, sana dali natin nakikita. So ayun po, as nakikita nyo, tatanggalin nyo po yung rin natin yung camera. Tatanggalin natin yung etong lock. Siwaba natin pag ganun. Na? So mahirap kasi gumawa